going my way, and I'm not mature enough to handle it, I'm starting to get a big head,
right.
and then start getting false revelations. You know, like the priest in the prophet did. And then all of a sudden, you got to pay me for information concerning what I know that came from the Lord. Now, it may have come at one point, but now I'm starting to sell it and market this thing. And now I take the gospel's anointing to preach the gospel and turn it into motivational speaking. You know, I was tempted with that. Boy, you ought to get out and encourage folks. Make somebody feel better about themselves. Who better to encourage than people who believe that God is coming back for them? Now, if all you want down here is a few trinkets that other folk have, and you like the ones that they got, I feel sorry for you. I told you that before. Why? Because, see, what you got is going to pass away. But what I'm living towards and looking forward to has yet to appear, but when I get it, I get to keep it. Aren't you tired of stuff coming and going out of your life? You ever notice how we enjoy the newness of a thing, and then when it becomes the old thing, it doesn't get as much attention? When you let God get old in your life, He won't get much attention.